So we have Julia Zhao from Nucleate presenting, and I'm actually just going to read her bio verbatim because I just thought it was so great. So Julia is the Global Director of Activator Operations at Nucleate. She's responsible for nurturing biotech innovations and supporting scientist entrepreneurs over 30 global regions. Julia has an intimate understanding of these challenges within translational medicine, given her training at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, Mount Sinai School of Medicine, and Johns Hopkins University. Committed to bridging this gap, her experience in healthcare consulting and venture capital allows her to cultivate investments in life science innovation and strengthen global alliances. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Hello. Hey. Hi, everyone. Nice to meet you. I'm really honored to be here. Thank you for inviting me. And I do realize I'm the last thing between you and lunch. So I'll definitely keep it concise and energize you with some of the exciting stuff we're doing at Nucleate. And I'll be around for the next 2 days, and come find me if you want to talk more about Nucleate and how to be involved. So today I'll share with you a little bit about what Nucleate does, our flagship program Activator, and spotlight some of our efforts in Europe, and finally invite you guys to our global summit that's happening in August at Santa Cruz in USA. Quickly, thanks for Molecule, and I think we share our biggest mission together, that Nucleate, our #1 mission is to empower the next generation of biotech leaders by empowering and educating today's trainees. We are 501c3 nonprofit. We're free and open to all. We are led by trainee and for trainee. And as a lot of trainees in the cohort or in the audience would feel, as your training goes on, as your topic narrows down, you dive deeper into your topic, it could feel like your community is shrinking. And at Nucleate, we try to provide the opposite. We're connecting all the scientists across the globe, and this is where new innovation starts, when you meet people that are different than you. Could be working on similar things with you. So a lot of the times, as global director, I'm learning a lot from our leaders across the globe to understand their ecosystem and how to strategize our efforts in the areas. And we're constantly promoting a lot of our emerging and associate chapters. So right now we have more than 1,000 active student leaders in over 30 regions and in over 200 institutions. And we understand everything starts with good culture and community. So at Nucleate, similar with mission of DeSci community, that we believe biotech education should be open access to all and not to a privileged few. So at Nucleate, we identify, educate, and develop talents by fostering innovations and spark new intellectual communities. It started off in Boston for the first 3 years, our flagship Nucleate Activator program, but it soon developed way beyond that. The #1 testimonial we hear from many people when I meet them is, I wish Nucleate existed when I was in school. So Nucleate, right now, we're aiming to be world's largest educational organization for functional and impact-driven life science career development program. And as you can see, our leadership team carries diverse degrees, and we also support them to achieve diverse career paths that they normally couldn't get through their academic trainings. And here's a big shout out to our leadership alumni. They are everywhere in the society, and I need to update this slide. Our leadership will end up in Molecule Fellowships and continuing on to contribute to DeSci community. And right now is a good time for me to introduce you to our flagship Activator program. At Nucleate, we're really trying to support all sorts of innovations for human and planetary health, and starts from therapeutics, diagnostic tools, to food, agriculture, chemical, energy, consumer products. Anything that brings a solution to patients closer or to consumer closer. And for our Activator program, we facilitate company formations in the life science through a very structured matching process and curriculum. To give you a brief overview of the program is at the very beginning. I'm trying to use this pointer. It's not moving. Okay. Start from 0. We have leadership on the ground in the institution, sourcing technology from their peers. And we actually spent quite a good amount of time in team formation. So throughout 3 months' time, we introduced scientists to clinicians, to business-minded students, to other scientists, together and with engineers as well. So together, they're figuring out solutions of a critical problems in the end. And for the next 3 months, we connect them to mentors, experts, tailored experts workshops, and other founders, industry leaders, investors, so they can build their projects together, going through topics very crucial in building companies together, such as what's your competitive landscape, what is your science and market risk, how to fundraise, what's IP regulatory strategy in your area. And at the end, we celebrate everybody's achievement in number 5 at pitch showcase and demo days. And this year we have close to 21 demo days across the globe. And finally, in August, we celebrate everybody's achievement by bringing everyone together with our alumni at a global summit. So our 2024 cohort is largest to date. This year we're supporting close to 160 teams and representing 120 institutions worldwide. And this is a little showcase that we're representing very diverse geography, and shout out to what Tyler mentioned at the very beginning, that one of the first steps for decentralizing is to be geographical agnostic. So at Nucleate, we provided an opportunity that even if you don't exist in our current ecosystem, we want to provide a virtual opportunity to you. So here is a showcase of our global virtual program that captures innovations from across the globe that we don't have a presence yet. And finally, our Activator teams are eligible for many of the prizes sponsored by our corporate partners and VC partners. They're available to compete for 2 million uncapped safe with Pillar and Blue Yards, and also 2 additional challenges for all non-dilutive grants with Alnylam and Eli Lilly. And our alumni are going to places. For 6 years at Nucleate around, our alumni team has raised close to 368 million, and it's really lovely to see our alumni companies at conferences, continues to see them succeed and bringing the treatment closer to patients one day. And here are some of the testimonials. It's really lovely to hear that a lot of the teams or co-founders would have never met if not through Nucleate. And also, they would never met their mentors or advisors if not through our program. And thank you, Ben, for saying that he would recommend a program to everybody he knows. He believed this is one of the best accelerator programs. And here I want to give shout out to our corporate sponsors, our venture partners, our philanthropic partners, and Molecule for working with us this year to bring the opportunities to scientists, to give them power to decentralize and to promote innovations. And here I want to highlight a little bit of our efforts in Europe. So right now we have 4 core chapters in Europe: UK, Germany, Switzerland, and Denmark. As you see, we have 3 associate chapters. We're promoting Netherlands next month, very soon. So we're about to have 4 associate chapters and 1 university partnership in France. And the development of Nucleate Germany is extremely exciting. We have over 40 leaders in Germany. And this year, inaugural year of Activator, we're supporting 8 teams across various institutions from Germany. And we spend 3 strong biotech hubs in Germany as well, from Heidelberg to Munich and to Berlin. And want to give out shout out to our Germany leadership as well. They're extremely talented master PhD students. And Su Yan over here is part of the fellowship program. They are the faces of Nucleate Germany, and they represent today's trainee leading tomorrow's biotech. And finally, I want to bring your attention to Global Summit. Last year, our summit is at San Diego. We were able to bring over 500 people to San Diego across 3 days of summit events. We sparked many innovations, collaborations between nuclear leaders, startups, alumni, thought leaders, sponsors, and general enthusiasts in the community. We're able to bring people from over 14 countries and close to 60 cities to our summit to spark innovation and communications. And thank you to our summit sponsors from last year. We're looking forward to more engagement this year and calling for the community to join us either as speakers, sponsors, or providing the opportunity for a team to attend, providing an opportunity for scientists to attend our summit. So please reach out if you want to be speaking at our summit or supporting a team to attend the summit in San Francisco this year, Santa Cruz this year. And lastly, this is a QR code. If you scan, there's a link tree to all of the links that you could possibly want from Nucleate. So joining our global newsletter, our website, it's out there, how to involve as mentor, experts, how to sign up as a team. Anything you want to be involved in Nucleate, scan this QR code. And I'm looking forward to meet everybody in the next 2 days. Thank you, guys. Yes. Yes. June 14th in Berlin. Absolutely. Thank you. Good shout out. So if you scan this link tree, there's a demo day tour registration. And in there, you could find the Luma link to the Berlin registration as well. Hope to see you there, June 14th in Berlin.